Are you tired of the same old boring look? Well, you're in for a big surprise.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't wanna believe my feelings for you. I didn't wanna believe that I could lose you if I told you just how I felt.
So I'm showing you a quick DIY video. Before I go any further, yes, I am in uniform. That is how quick this is. I am on my way to work, and literally before I'm grabbing my keys, grabbing my lunch, I'm like, let me do a quick DIY video so I can show you guys that people with a busy schedule, daily lives, maintaining homes can do this. So I am ironing my clothes. I have to iron my clothes. I know ironing it is out, but not for me. I am measuring the length of the pants. I'm getting ready to cut it. I'm cutting it from the side so I could just bring to life the image that is in my head that I love to create. Now, I'm going to go a little bit ahead. This whole process in real time took me about 20 minutes with the ironing, I am so sorry, and the cutting as well. But I know you guys are very, very busy people, so I didn't give you 20 minutes. If you want 20 minutes, let me know, and I will do a 20-minute video. Trust me, I have a lot to say. So I am cutting slits in my pants. I am just laying the pants flat and cutting 6 slits. Yes, try saying that fast. I'm not. Yes, there I go. Cutting away. Cutting, cutting, cutting. I know I am so ghetto right now. Ironing on the floor. I'm comfortable. Sometimes I don't want to stand all the time. I want to just sit down on the floor, iron, and relax. So majority of the time, I am ironing on the floor, except if I'm really trying to get, the wrinkles out of the shoulder part, then yes, I have to use an ironing board. It depends on where I'm going. Right now, believe it or not, these clothes that I am using were about to be trashed. And instead of throwing it away, I'm like, I keep looking at these videos. I want to create it. Let me at least practice on something that I don't mind if I mess up. I would hate to go buy a shirt, create a look, and mess it up. So here you go. So in my opinion, I would suggest that you take an old shirt, some old pants that you don't want to wear, and try this. As you can see, I am not a professional. I did eyeball it, everything. I don't have no fabric, chalk to do the outline. So what you want to do is in the shoulder, you want to cut a C. So I measured it along my shoulder because that is like the arm part where you want to cut so your shoulder can be exposed. So just a C. You're just starting midway from your arm and you're going all the way up to your collarbone and you're cutting that piece out. I did the very exact same thing that I did on the other side. When I'm finished, I just lay it along my shoulder. Do not cut the neck piece out because you will kind of have an open piece alongside your neck. Then you will have to sew that back together. And do you see needle and thread? We do not need needle and thread. So there you have it. Voila, a masterpiece. Who says you can't walk around the house looking good? For real. Yeah, I'm looking at you because you already know. If you are watching this video right now, you made it all the way through. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please hit that bell notification because you never know what your girl got in store for you. So until next time, mwah.